Peace be on the earth and among all created creations. What does this statement actually mean? Peace is a state of being. It is contingent on inner harmony and consonance with the natural laws and recommendations of the creation universal energy. Peace is directly connected with living in consonance with nature, our environment, the flora and fauna, and with each other. Peace cannot be separated from respect, empathy, tolerance, coexistence, freedom of thought, non-belief, and unity with the collective humanity and with the planet. Peace extends outwardly to encompass the totality of all that exists within our creation. Peace accompanies evolutive progress through the meditative connection with love, balance, harmony, and joy. For where there is peace, true love, freedom, and harmony flourish. Salome.